First, ensure your phone is unlocked and GSM compatible. Visit Metro's website or app to check your phone's IMEI for compatibility. Purchase a Metro SIM kit online for around $1 to $5. When it arrives, insert it into your phone. Then, go to Metro's activation portal and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need a valid ID for verification and to choose a prepaid plan starting from $25 per month. Metro now offers eSIM for compatible devices, allowing instant digital activation via QR code, skipping the SIM card shipment. To keep your existing phone number, you'll need to transfer or port it from your old carrier, like Verizon or AT&T. During online activation, provide your current account details, including the account number and any required authorization codes from your previous provider. Make sure your old account is in good standing. Number transfers typically take 2 to 4 hours if it's within the T-Mobile network, but can take up to 24 hours for other networks. The good news is there should be no service downtime during the process if done during activation. Metro's app also now has an AI-powered chatbot to help with any troubleshooting during BYOD setups and number transfers. And they've partnered with third-party apps for one-click porting to make the transfer process seamless. If you need additional assistance, contact Metro customer service.